Hello students. In our last ninth standard, we studied about the polynomials, different types of polynomials, that is the linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial, as well as what is monomial, binomial and trinomials, so on. We in this year, that is in the 10th standard now, we are going to study about the quadratic equations. Quadratic equations is also known as a quadratic polynomial also. So just what is meant by quadratic equation? The equation or the polynomial in which the index or the degree of the polynomial is 1 is known as a linear polynomial, and the polynomial of degree 2 is called the quadratic polynomial. The difference between the linear polynomial and the quadratic polynomial is that the degree of the variable of the degree of the variable is 2 in the quadratic polynomial, and the degree of the variable is 1 in the linear polynomial. And we also discuss about the linear polynomial in the first lesson. The polynomial of degree 2 is called the quadratic polynomial. What is the standard form of this quadratic polynomial? That is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are the real numbers and a is never 0. What happens if a is 0? If a is 0, it is not a quadratic equation, it will become a linear equation. So let us see how to convert the given equation in the standard form. There is one worksheet is in your textbook, that is quadratic equations are given, and we write the equations in the standard form. Also we write the values of a, b, c, and these types of questions are always asked in the SSC board question paper. So solve one by one. X square minus 4 is equal to 0. In this equation x square, the second term bx is not there. As we compare this equation with the standard equation x square ax square plus bx plus c, the second term is not there, so we add 0x here. X square plus 0x minus 4 is equal to 0, and when we compare it with the standard equation, we will get the values of ABC, that is 1, 0 and minus 4. Let us see the second example, that is y square is equal to 2y minus 7. So write it in the standard form, that is y square minus 2y plus 7 is equal to 0, and on comparing with the standard equation, we will get the values of a, b and c. The third equation is x square plus 2x is equal to 0. In this equation, the third term is not there, so we write a 0 instead of third term, that is x square plus 2x plus 0 is equal to 0, and on comparing with the standard equation, we get the values of a, b, c, that is 1, 2 and 0. Decide which of these following equations are quadratic equations. The given equations are quadratic equations or not, so let us decide them. First equation is 3x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. In this equation, there is only one variable, and how we decide the given equation is quadratic equation? If the index of the variable is 2, then it is only the quadratic equation. Here the variable is x and its index is 2, so it is a quadratic equation. Let us see the second equation, that is m cube minus 5m square plus 4 is equal to 0. Here m is only one variable, but the maximum index of this variable is not 2, it is 3, so it is not a quadratic equation. Let us see one more example, that is y plus 2 multiplied by y minus 5 is equal to 0. At our first sight, we say that it is not a quadratic equation because the index of the variable is not 2, but when we solve it, we will get the quadratic equation, and this type of examples are also asked in the SSC board exam. When we multiply this through bracket, we will get the equation y square minus 3y minus 10 is equal to 0, in which y is the variable and the maximum index of the variable is 2. So it is also a quadratic equation. So in this lecture we studied what is meant by quadratic equation, how to write the given quadratic equation in the standard form, how to calculate the values of a, b, c, and the given equation is a quadratic equation or not, that is also we verify. And this type of simple examples are asked for the 1 mark in the first question of the your SSC board exam. Thank you.